Hi, good morning to all.
Sir, may we know the timetable, the timeline, I mean, ng project na to?
Okay, so with the groundbreaking today, we're targeting around 20 months for construction. So our target or optimistic target is to have this up by December next year. So it will all depend on the execution, but that is our target for now. No? December next year, this will be operational.
So, isa sa mga concern ng Marasan dito is yung environmental impact. Care to assure the public the safety of this project?
Well, I think as you can see naman, the project will meet all the environmental standards of DNR. So I think that the risk is mitigated. And you can see in the scale model, unlike conventional disposal facilities, this is actually fully enclosed and it won't emit any odor. No? So we're quite confident in that regard.
So, gaano ba kalaki yung impact nito sa energy need ng Iloilo?
Actually, this is very small in terms of the impact of the total requirement of Iloilo. No? I mean, the requirement of Iloilo being a highly urbanized city and province is quite high, and I think hundreds if not thousands of megawatts. No? But I think what this does is that it allows us to supply to the desal facility, which will have a more meaningful impact to the residents of the city because of the water supply requirements of the city.
Sir, yung mangyayari naman sa Kalahunan landfill, what will happen after 2 years sa mga workers sa area?
Are you asking about the workers or the landfill?
The landfill and the workers.
The landfill and we still don't have a definite a plan about the landfill. But the workers, yes, we have addressed them. We've reached out to them many times over. So yes, we have a plan about them. One of the plans is that they will be absorbed sa facility na to.
Yung sa transfer naman ng waste, are we going to have JS Lysol?
We have to be clear about this. The waste that will be brought to the facility are the fresh waste. The waste there in Kalahunan will stay there. Wala sa kontrata kasi with this one. But like what I mentioned, we still don't have a definite plan what to do with the open landfill done and the waste that comes with it. Yes, it's almost full to the brim. That's why we really need this facility. I think the landfill, parang just in time that the facility will be finished.
Sir, daw, ano kadako yung impact niya in terms of savings ng city sa solid waste management?
Very big, very big. In terms of the savings, in terms of, if we think about the more than 20 hectares na land that we can reclaim doon sa landfill, that is already a very big savings.
Sir, anong stake ng city in terms of economic sharing or income sharing because it's a PPP project?
Yeah, it's a PPP project. No, it's a joint venture agreement with Metro. This is, if I'm not mistaken, 93.7 or no? 90.
96.
Okay, we have 3.5 shares, and then all the rest is sa kanila.
Sir, first few years ng operation ng facility, Iloilo City lang ba i-cater natin or expanding it to neighboring towns?
So the first few years, so Iloilo will be the one supplying the waste, but the contract allows us to expand later on to accommodate other municipalities. As I understand it, currently in Caloocan, the other municipalities also dispose there. So Iloilo will consolidate